Hello there. I'm going recording my stuff in the lab uh, in the University of South Carolina. This is Sahat Kilka. So first of all, we have this. I'm using this transducers. It's a Honeywell 200 psi, as you can see here, and I have the angular sensor is installed on the ball valve. This is the time I'm gonna measure it. It's about 160-meter length. It goes up, as you can see, the loops. It goes up to the upstairs, and the upstairs there is a tank, and there is another transducer just like this one installed there. And as you can see, this is the wiring come from upstairs. So I now running the system, trying the I still the water supply is this one. I mean, upstairs is open, but I'm closed this one, so I'm just trying to fill out the system with water. So, and before generating any water hammer, let's keep talking about the devices. So I have the, as you can see, the BNC 2110. 110, yeah, BNC. And you can see here is the setting. It's an FS setting, floating signal. And first of all, so as you can see, it comes from this, from the transducers. The signal goes in as an input to the SC sensotech, and you can see the pressure now is increasing. So channel 1 is this one, close to the valve here, as I show it to you. Channel 2 here is the upstream one, close to the tank. So this is the sensotech. I am using it, and as you can see, there is signals coming here. I think 6 pins here are 4 in, and 2 from them goes to the BNC, to the BNC here. Also here we have my friends. He has a step motor. He's working on the step motor. Then the BNC is connecting to the hard drive and to the motherboard in the computer. So once I open the system here, I'm going to open the valve until the system becomes steady and stable. I'm not going to generate any water hammer. In the meantime, I'm trying to set up the Signal Express. So this is the front view screen of the Signal Express, and here I'm going to specify the channels, which is the A0 here, as you can see, the transducers one. The A1 is the angular sensors, and the A2 is the transducers upstream. And here I'm going to define the voltage range. It's 10 positive minus 10 volt. Then I'm going to have this set up. Before that, this is the default. I was working on 1K rate and 100 sample to read. As you can see, it's continuous, differential, all of them are the same. And then I hit run here. Then the signal is starting now, but the system is not stable yet, and I'm trying to wait a little bit until the system becomes stable. As you can see here, the upstream valve the upstream transducer is reading some static pressure in PSI. This has been set up based on the calibration in PSI units. And here is the water is coming, and so this is my signals in the pressure in my system basically. So will not take long time until the pipe will be fully by water. Just waiting a little bit. So I think now it's full. So I'm going to hit record, and I'm going to generate the system. Now it's recording, so I will make sure like this. So as you can see here, I will go and close the valve very quickly, and I think you hear the sounds, and you see how it's jumping. So it's generate water hammer in the system, and same as you can see, this is ranging, but the upstream seems like not the case. However, let's see how it's the signal. I'm gonna stop it. So this is, I have the signal. So as I told you, A0 is the here is the, and this is my wave. This has been generated. Seems fine. And this is the angular. It's correct. It was open here and fully closed here. And the last one, well, seems right, but I have to check like the signal reading. So the shape now is fine. I got finally the shape fine, but I'm not sure about the reading if it's right or not. I'm still working on it and waiting for some suggestion from you guys. So no, I don't have to. So again, this is the system and how it's gored, how it's described. We have the wiring come from the transducer, input into Sensotic device, SC series, then from the Sensotic goes to the DAC, then from the DAC goes to the motherboard. Thank you very much. I hope that will be very clear. Thank you very much again.